Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosyadi. Here I will be doing the final exam with the segment, namely a journal review. And the title is The Action to Speak on TV Commercial Advertising. Section 1 is abstract. The abstract section highlights the use specific language in commercial advertising to confuse the public of the merits and benefits of a product with the aim of driving market purchase and market placement. The study focuses on speak X in television commercial, especially representative, directive, expressive, and commercial speech X. The data for the research was obtained for several advertisements for food and beverage, including those for Thank You, chips Lisa, epi chili sauce, and ads. The qualitative research data was acquired using method of documenting and observing the phenomena of interest and the data analyzed using the Yule's pragmatic theory. The study concludes that commercial advertising often makes use of the four types of speech: reciprocal, directive, expensive, and commercial. Okay, and the section next is the introduction. The introduction of the research article discusses the use of speech act in TV commercial advertising, especially focusing on the representative and expressive speech acts. Speech acts, it highlights the analysis of data from food and beverage and commercial and the application of the pragmatic theory to understand the significance of the utterances in the commercial. The introduction also emphasizes the persuasive nature of language in advertising and its role in conveying message to the audience. Okay, and the next section is theoretical basis. The theoretical basis of the research primarily utilizes pragmatic theory as its explanatory framework. Pragmatic theory examines the meaning of the speaker, meaning in accordance with its context, meaning communicated by the speaker, and forms of expression in accordance with the social distance that limit participants in certain conversation. The study emphasizes the importance of speak acts in television commercial, specifically focusing on representative, directive, expressive, commissive, and declarative speak acts. And the next slide is the research method. The research method involved in the study include the collection of data from several types of television commercial, especially focusing on food and beverage advertisement such as Tango chips, Lisa, ABC chili sauce, and adds the data collection process due to its observation, recording, listening, and note-taking technique. The qualitative research data were then analyzing using Yule's pragmatic theory. The findings of the data analyzed will be presented using informal approaches, including the use of narrative technique to present the result. Okay, and the next is the result from the discussion point to commissive speech X being commissive speech. X being used in television commercial. For example, in the ABC chili sauce advertisement, the price with ABC, you can always do it is identified as a commissive speech. X is it function to state a promise or over implicitly promising that by using ABC sauce, borders can always make delicious dishes. These types of speak act over a product that promises a delicacy, ultimately tempting the audience to buy the product. And therefore, the study concludes that commissive speech acts are utilized in commercial advertising to make promise or over to the audience, influencing the purchasing decision. And the last is the conclusion. The conclusion of the study highlight the prevalence of different types of speech, as including representational, directive, and expressive, and commissive in commercial advertising, and particularly in television commercial for food and beverage. The study emphasized the the persuasive nature of, of language in advertising and its role in influencing consumer behavior. It concludes that commercial advertising often utilize speech act the convey promises or over to audience, ultimately influencing their purchasing decision. This underscores the significance of language and speech act in the realm of advertising and marketing. It's enough for me for the review of journal, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.